AI code assistants, transforming dev workflows. In the rapidly evolving landscape of software development, AI code assistants, such as GitHub Copilot and Replit's AI, have emerged as transformative tools. These sophisticated platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to provide real-time coding suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and streamline the development process. The introduction of AI code assistants marks a significant paradigm shift in the world of coding, where the traditional, solitary figure of a programmer meticulously typing out each line of code is being augmented by an intelligent, context-aware companion that offers suggestions and solutions on the fly. The necessity for coders to integrate AI tools into their workflow has never been more apparent. In an industry that prizes efficiency and innovation, the ability to quickly adapt and utilize these advanced technologies can make a substantial difference in both the quality and speed of software development. As the complexity of projects increases and the demand for faster delivery continues to grow, AI code assistants are not just a luxury. They are becoming an essential component of the modern coder's toolkit. This section will delve into how these AI tools are reshaping the coding process, making them an indispensable asset for developers looking to stay ahead in a competitive field. AI code assistants have emerged as a transformative force, multiplying the productivity and efficiency of coders. These AI-driven tools, such as GitHub Copilot and Replit's AI, are not just novelties, they have quantifiable impacts on the speed and quality of code production. Developers who integrate AI assistants into their workflow often report significant productivity increases, with some anecdotal evidence suggesting that routine coding tasks can be completed up to 5 times faster than without AI assistance. This is not just a matter of completing tasks quicker, it's about fundamentally enhancing the coding process. Case studies from various industries have illustrated the efficiency gains achieved through AI assistance. A comparative analysis of coding with and without AI assistance reveals a stark contrast in developers' approach to debugging and code optimization. With AI assistance, developers can iterate more rapidly and refine their code with greater precision, leading to a higher standard of software quality. The multiplying effect of AI code assistance is evident not just in individual productivity, but also in collaborative environments. They facilitate a more streamlined integration of new team members, enable more consistent coding practices, and promote a culture of knowledge sharing. As AI technology continues to evolve, the potential for these tools to revolutionize the coding profession only grows, making their adoption an essential consideration for any coder looking to stay at the forefront of the industry. The journey of problem-solving in software development has been marked by continuous evolution, adapting to new tools and methodologies that enhance efficiency and innovation. Traditionally, developers relied heavily on search engines, sifting through forums, documentation, and Stack Overflow threads to troubleshoot issues and learn new concepts. This method, while effective, was often time-consuming and relied on the ability to ask the right questions and filter through potentially outdated or irrelevant information. The advent of AI-powered coding assistants has revolutionized this aspect of development. Instead of spending hours Googling for solutions, coders can now turn to their AI companions for instant code generation and tailored solutions. These AI tools, through natural language processing and machine learning, understand the context of the problem and provide precise snippets of code, relevant documentation, and best practices, all within the coding environment itself. This shift has had a profound impact on developer workflow and time management. The immediacy of AI assistance means that developers can maintain their focus and flow, reducing the disruption caused by context switching between coding and researching. It also enables a more dynamic problem-solving approach, where AI suggestions can spark new ideas and solutions that may not have been immediately apparent through traditional search methods. As a result, developers can tackle problems with increased speed and a broader perspective, making the process of coding more fluid and creative. In the discourse surrounding artificial intelligence and its role in various industries, a common misconception arises: the fear that AI will replace human jobs. However, When it comes to coding, AI code assistants are not harbingers of replacement, but rather powerful allies that augment the capabilities of human coders. Understanding the role of AI assistants in this light is crucial for appreciating their value in the development process. AI code assistants are designed to complement the skill set of developers, automating the more tedious aspects of coding and allowing the developers to focus on more complex and creative tasks that require human insight and decision-making. For instance, while an AI assistant can suggest code snippets and optimize algorithms based on patterns it has learned, it cannot understand the business logic or the unique context of a project in the way a human developer can. This is where the human coder's foresight and expertise become indispensable. By leveraging AI assistants, developers can avoid reinventing the wheel for routine code structures and instead allocate their time to designing architecture, strategizing on project direction, and crafting code that adds unique value. Moreover, AI code assistants can serve as on-the-fly mentors, offering up-to-date best practices and introducing newer programming paradigms that a developer might not yet be familiar with. This symbiotic relationship between AI and human coders fosters an environment where each can play to their strengths. The balance between AI assistance and developer expertise is thus not a zero-sum game, but a cooperative dynamic that elevates the quality and efficiency of the software development lifecycle. In the modern coding ecosystem, embracing AI tools is a step toward harnessing the full potential of technology to enhance human ability, not to diminish it. AI code assistants have revolutionized the way developers approach repetitive tasks and testing in software development. By automating the generation of boilerplate code, sample data, and writing unit tests, these tools have significantly reduced the time and effort coders must invest in these mundane yet critical aspects of development. For instance, AI can quickly create numerous test cases, ensuring that software is robust against a wide range of inputs and scenarios, which might be too time-consuming for a developer to write manually. This automation leads to a more thorough testing process and ultimately a more reliable end product. Moreover, the use of AI for repetitive tasks extends beyond testing. It includes setting up project structures, configuring databases, and even writing documentation. This allows developers to focus their attention on the unique and complex problems that require human ingenuity and problem-solving skills. The reliability of AI in these areas is also noteworthy, as it minimizes human error and ensures a consistent output every time. Real-world applications of AI in coding tasks demonstrate substantial efficiency gains. For example, companies that integrate AI assistants into their development cycles often report shorter development times and quicker go-to-market for new features and products. This efficiency doesn't just save time. It translates to cost savings and increased competitiveness in the fast-paced tech industry. The ability of AI to handle repetitive tasks with precision and speed is an asset that modern development teams cannot afford to overlook. AI code assistants are often lauded for their ability to speed up the coding process, but their benefits extend far beyond just rapid code generation. These tools are revolutionizing the way developers approach complex problems and are enabling a shift towards more versatile, full-stack development. The integration of AI into coding workflows allows developers to offload some of the cognitive burdens that come with tackling intricate coding challenges. With AI's capacity to analyze vast code bases and provide contextually relevant suggestions, developers can focus on the architecture and design aspects of software development, rather than getting bogged down by the minutiae of syntax and boilerplate code. This not only streamlines the development process, but also opens up opportunities for innovation, as programmers can dedicate more time to creative problem-solving. Furthermore, the rise of AI coding assistants is fostering a new era of full-stack development. These assistants are equipped with knowledge spanning multiple languages and frameworks, making them invaluable resources for developers looking to broaden their skill sets. As a result, programmers can more easily transition between front-end and back-end tasks, enhancing their versatility and value within a team. Looking to the future, AI tools are poised to become an integral part of continuous learning in the coding profession. The dynamic nature of programming, with its ever-evolving languages and technologies, requires developers to be lifelong learners. AI code assistants can facilitate this by exposing developers to best practices and new coding techniques, thus playing a critical role in their professional development. In summary, AI code assistants are not just accelerating the pace at which developers write code, they're expanding the horizons of what developers can achieve. By enabling a focus on higher-level tasks, supporting the growth of full-stack capabilities, and fostering continuous learning, these tools are reshaping the landscape of software development. Humans are in charge.com, prompted by a human, performed by machines.